Hi, my name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. I'm also a hairstylist, and you can visit us on the web at www.intuitionsalonandspa.com. Okay, so now we have long hair, and I'm going to show you some ideas with the rubber band of how you can put the hair up. I'm going to put a little volume at the top. So we're smoothing down the hair. And I'm going to use just a little bit of hairspray to help hold it back. You can decide whether you want a loose bang or if you want to tie it all back. And I think I'm going to tie it all back. And there you go. And that's how you can do a low ponytail with long hair.